Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel the Forex Nexus. Today I am explaining the gold H4 reentry after CSM, that how we confirmed our H4 reentry after the CSM. First of all, let me show you. Here we got the rejection from the lower band and we got no momentum area on H4 time frame. Then the market formed CSD, candlestick direction. Then we got rejection from the EMA 50, but here the market failed on H1 time frame. I will explain in H1 time frame. Then the market keep moving in bullish direction. You can see here and showing us momentum again. Here we got a doji, then confirmed by a bullish candle momentum. Then the market coming back for re-entry on H4 time frame to MA 510 low and EMA 50 as well. This re-entry was powerful re-entry because the market, the MA 510 low was above the middle band. It means that we have a bullish trend, and this re-entry is stronger than other re-entries because the middle band is working like a mediator between buyers and sellers, and the market is above the middle band. It means we have a strong bullish direction trend. Now the question is, first of all, let me mark this area. The question is how we will confirm our H4 re-entry. So we will move to H1 second time frame. Here we got the rejection from the lower band plus EMA 50. It's mean that we got advanced extreme, also rejection from lower band extreme B. Here we got the candlestick direction, but at this point mostly trader was confused at this point when the market was getting rejection from the upper band on second time frame. At this point in Telegram group, traders was confused that we should close our trade or hold our trade. So at that point, at that time, any explanation was meaningless. Now I have better time to explain now because the market moved. At that point, if I was explaining to them, it was meaningless because the market was dropping at that point and they was waiting for a sell re-entry, but here we was waiting for a buy re-entry. That's the difference. Why I was much sure that the market can go up, because this re-entry was based on CSM and EMA 50 after the candlestick momentum, the MA 510 low and EMA 50, and this here at this point was just a tricky point because mostly trader was selling at this point, but here we have no reason to sell gold here at this point. Why? Because if you see, we have no candlestick direction sell at sell point, we have no sell CSD, we have no early CSD sell. So here at this point, MA 510 high was a fake point to sell gold here at this point, because if we got CSD or CSAK early candlestick direction which break the MA 510 low, then we can consider a sell here on the retracement. If the market retrace back, if it make here a CSA early CSD and then the market retrace back to the MA 510 high, at this point we can consider a sell and then the market can drop to the low BB. But here there was no reason to sell at this point, because we have no ECSD, we have no confirmation on other time frame. But still on daily time frame, if you can see here on weekly, the market got rejection from EMA 50 and middle band. So this was a powerful re-entry because here we got the momentum. Now on monthly time frame, you can see here the market formed MLV zone, market lost volume here and it's dropping. But on weekly it need to retrace back to the MA 510 high at least, and then we will make confirmation there. If we got confirmation there at MA 510 high, then we can sell. Otherwise we will wait for the confirmation. In every strategy, if you are using any strategy, you need confirmation. You can't enter blindly on any pair, any trade, any opportunity. You can't catch it blindly. You just need confirmation at that on any point if you are selling or buying, but you need confirmation. So on H4 time frame, we will wait for a momentum here. If we got momentum, then the market will come back for the re-entry and we will we can take a trade there. But at this point on the MA5 upper BB, we can close our trade here. Okay, now the market is keep showing momentum and the Bollinger Band is expanding on H1 time frame. It means that the market can have potential to go upside, but we will wait for the confirmations for not selling, because we don't trade, we can't pick a trade against the trend. So we are avoiding counter trades. We always go with trend. So the trend is still bullish on the gold H4 time frame, H1 time frame. Also on daily time frame, we are today it will confirm that the market can break EMA 50 or middle band. If it form CSD there, then we can consider a bullish trend on MA5 on daily time frame. But here on weekly time frame, we can get a re-entry sell at MA510 high, but for that we need H1 on daily time frame, we need extreme. On H4 time frame, we need extreme plus MLV. So that will take time to confirm. Otherwise we can hold our trade to the upper BB. This is our take profit on the gold H4 time frame, and we the market may hit our take profit, but we also secure our trade. We move stop loss into a small profits, so we are secure now. On H1 time frame, the market is showing extreme, but extreme is not a signal. As you know, you need to focus on the entry time, the first time frame on which you got the re-entry, so you can go with that time frame as well. So this is the yesterday confusion about gold trade in the Telegram group, and if you are first time watching our channel, so please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Also, if you have any question related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also join our Telegram group. Thank you for watching the video.